61A, Lecture Number 8. Announcements. HOG is due today. Midterm 1 is on Monday in various locations around campus. The logistics have been posted. You will be provided with a printed copy of the study guide, which you should read in advance. You can also bring a handwritten sheet of notes. Usually everything you need to know is on the study guide, so you don't really need the notes, but it can be a good way to study to prepare a sheet of notes, so you're certainly welcome to do that. You'll receive an assigned seat and room on Sunday. Please arrive at the exam at 7 p.m. if you can, and we'll get started at 7:10, but we will be handing out exams, scratch paper, etc. starting at 7 o'clock, so come then if you can. If you need any kind of special arrangement, such as extended time, a left-handed desk, etc., please fill out the alteration request form by today. That way, we can try to accommodate you. Even if we already have a DSP letter for you, you should fill out this form to tell us what you need so that we don't miss it. There will be no lecture on Monday to give you the time back since the exam is in the evening. There will be no lab section next week. Instead, we've created an optional take-home midterm review lab, which you are welcome to work through. It should help you get ready for the midterm. And the last chance to change sections is next Wednesday. A couple of notes about the exam. First, it's only 30 points, which is 10% of the total points in the course. It's really not a big deal. Also, we are going to have a policy in this course that if you see the same topic again on a later exam, and you answer the question right there, you'll have an opportunity to earn some points back on this exam. People like to call this a Clobber Policy. I think that's a weird term. But what it does mean is that if you learn what you're supposed to learn by the end of the course, you will do well in the course. And therefore, this midterm is low stakes. I would definitely recommend that you prepare for it, get a lot of sleep, come in and do your best, because I think it's a really useful way to understand how things are going to take an exam. But this is not the exam that will determine your grade in the course. And so if you have a lot of anxiety about it, take a deep breath, get some sleep, and relax, and just focus on doing your best. Also, we are changing the format of the fill-in-the-blank questions. Formerly, they looked like this. This is a question from fall 2021, where there were blanks and a letter below the blank, which I thought looked nice, but it does differ from how the other courses in the 61A series format their fill-in-the-blank questions, so we're going to try to standardize on this format. This is actually the same code as the old format, except for the blanks say blank 1 in them, instead of having a letter below. I hope that's fine, because it's too late to change it now. The exam's already being printed. In either case, for the old format or the new format, you would actually write your answers down below, where there's an answer box for each blank. Best of luck finishing the HOG project if you haven't, and if there's no way you can finish it today, don't forget that there is, in the contact area of the website, an extension request form. The rest of today's lecture will focus, first on exam review so that we can get you ready, and then also some other topics related to what we've learned so far. But nothing that's new in today's lecture will be included on the exam, so I definitely recommend that you watch it, but you should just be seeing things that you already know until the decorators video, which is new, but is not something that will be tested.